Rust-Oleum's Peel Coat is a removable coating that lets you temporarily customize your vehicle. This unique coating sprays on easily and peels right off without any damage to the paint or body. In this video, we'll show you how simple it is to customize your vehicle's hood. It's important that your car's hood be clean and dry. Before you begin, wash it with soap and water, rinse, and let it dry completely. Now, you're ready to mask off your racing stripes. With tape, mark off the desired thickness. Cover the remainder of the hood with masking paper. To protect surrounding surfaces from overspray, mask off the fenders, grille, and windshield. Read all instructions carefully before you begin to apply Peel Coat. Once you're ready, shake the can vigorously for 1 minute after the mixing ball begins to rattle. To make application easier, the use of a Rust-Oleum comfort grip should be considered. When you begin to apply Peel Coat, it's important to apply a very light mist coat. As you spray, hold the can 8 to 12 inches from the surface. Use a steady back and forth motion as you go, slightly overlapping each pass. If the first coat goes on too heavy, drips and runs can occur. We recommend you aim for about 50% coverage in the first pass. After allowing the first coat to dry, apply another 3 or 4 more liberal coats to the hood. To avoid dripping, wait about 10 minutes in between each coat. The more layers you apply, the thicker the coating will be, and the easier it will be to remove later. Finish with one last medium weight coat to create a smooth, final film. Once you complete the final coat, immediately remove any masking tape while the paint is still wet to ensure crisp, clean lines. Allow the hood to dry for at least 1 hour before touching it or driving, and wait a full 24 hours before washing your vehicle. Congratulations! Now it's time to show off your custom racing stripes. When you're ready to remove Peel Coat, slowly rub along one edge until it begins to peel off. Once you catch an edge, the coating should come off in large, easy-to-remove pieces. It's that simple. For additional information and how-to videos on a wide range of Rust-Oleum products, visit rustoleum.com.